Hi Taurian people, welcome to Torofic Astro. This is me Pooja Likha. Today we are doing the read for um, Taurus people, and this is for the June 2020. To you, what type of energies in the month of June? Okay, so give good shuffle to your cards. Now I am drawing 4 cards for you, Taurus. Okay, my first card is for your relationship, second is for your career, and third is for spirituality, and then is the overall guidance for the month. Relationship, career. Okay, so relationship devil. Okay, your card says don't overindulge in anything. Overindulgence, see, I can see some addiction. Maybe there is you are facing or you are doing some domestic violence at your home front, and or maybe some addiction can be you are drinking more, smoking, anything which is not good for your health, also not for your relationship. But anytime you can quit all these addiction or bad habits from your life. See, your mind is absolutely filled with negative thoughts, and your spirituality, these 2 cards also says about your lot of anxiety, depression in your mind right now. Maybe you are in panic. Maybe you face some situation where you felt so helpless, and you pass so many things in fear, anxiety. Or if you are facing some addiction problem, how to get out of it, how to get, there are a lot of things which can help you to just remove the things which are not healthy for you, right? So in relationship you have to be very careful, very conscious, because maybe the overindulgence of anything, this can be drinking, smoking, related to physical attraction, or domestic violence. All these overindulgence or addiction of anything is very bad for the relationship. No relationship can survive with all these things. So it's better to take a control over all these bad habits. In career or in finances, things will get better with time, and you have the step you have taken, the things you have decided for your future, definitely it will take you some better place. And the problem you were facing at your work front, or maybe you switched from one job to another, or whatever things you have planned already, or you have taken the step, that will take you at a better position in your career. And you spent so much anxiety. I have already told you, these 2 cards tells me about anxiety, about depression. You have faced so much sleepless nights. You faced lots of depression, but uh, meditation, first of all, meditation will help to get out of all these addictions. But please take a step forward towards spirituality. It will definitely help to come out of all these negativity, lots of anxiety, depression, negative thoughts. Maybe it has become the habit of you people to see just at the black side of anything. So better to come out of it as soon as possible. Put some efforts on, you have to put your conscious efforts over it to come out of it. You have to do some meditations, right? And overall energy, Ace of Pentacle, definitely some new start is there, as your things as your things at career front is changing, definitely. And this card says about the new growth, new career opportunities, which brings lot of stability in your life. Definitely career point of view is to says ki growth is there, but at your mental level you have to work hard. You have to fight with your anxiety, with your depression. with your addiction also. Put your energy in meditation. Calm down your energies. Do meditation. Meditation is a must. Meditation, yoga, pranayam, whatever go with you, do it. Start with it. Okay. Hope Taurian people, you will get some message from these cards, and don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.